Hi, good afternoon, Australia. Good afternoon, world. This is Cordapia in Australia. And you know what, guys? This afternoon, I decorate my table. I put plants. But this idea I got from in Fairfield Market. I went in Fairfield Market and I saw this plant and they sell it. But they don't put in the soil, in the pot, but they just put it in the flower vase with water and pebbles. So I copy what they did because it's so nice to look at, guys. Look. So the only thing is you need pebbles so that it will stand and it will not fall down. So this is the pebbles, colorful pebbles, and you put it inside the roots, in between the pebbles, and just leave it like that and put water. Once the water goes down, then add more water. So that's it. And use for decoration of your table inside your house. So very nice, guys. And I already did that one, guys. My that they call what they call this one, mother tongue, and it lasts until now. It's still alive. It's already 3 years. So I have something to I will show you, because this one, guys, so pretty. Yes. And this is the one that I did before. So see, the roots are plenty, guys. See, look at the roots. It's 3 years. And look, see, never die. There are lots of leaves. See, this is 3 years, guys. So I just leave like this. If the water goes down, then you add more water. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to click subscribe my YouTube channel, Cordapia in Australia. Bye-bye.